To solve this problem, we have to understand the equation first. The bob of a simple pendulum has mass of 2.5 kilos. So this is the bob actually, the green circle, and the maximum amplitude at B point. At B point, remember the potential energy mgh is equals to 0. No, here the maximum amount of potential energy available at B point, not 0. Here will be the maximum potential. Anyways, if it is pulled aside and released from position, from this B position, zero point 0.5 meter away from the vertical line, so the distance from B to C is 0.5 meter. Determine the velocity and the kinetic energy of the bob as it passes through the lowest possible point. So A is the lowest possible point of its path. So at B point, the maximum potential energy, as I said, and here obviously the kinetic energy will be 0 because there is no velocity, because here the bob is static. Then it will be released from B to A, it will travel, right? Anyways, so the effective length is 1.3 meter. So OA, so this is O and this is A, as well as OB, the effective length is equals to 1.3, right? So let's write down 3 here. Okay. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the H, right? So this H we need to calculate. Indeed, what we have to do? So H means AC, right? So AC is equals to nothing but OA minus OC. So up to this point is OC. And if we consider O, C and B is a triangle, and obviously C is the right angle triangle, and obviously OB is the perpendicular, and this is the this is the hypotenuse OB, and OC is the perpendicular, and uh, BC or CV is the base. Or maybe if you consider this is the angle, indeed OC is the base and CV is the perpendicular. Anyways, so OC is can be written as like OA is nothing but 1.3 and minus OC is equals to, we can write down as this is the hypotenuse. So OC mean, so this is OC, right? So OB square minus BC square, BC square. So if we plug in the value here, so this is of course 1.3, and OB is also 1.3 whole square minus BC is zero point 0.5 meter. So after calculating all this value, we have got 0.1 meter. So this is the height. So AC is equals to height, and this is 0.1 meter, right? So as I said, EK is 0 because at B point, V naught is equals to 0 meter per second, right? And it is released from B to A. It means at A point, of course, the potential energy is 0 and EK will be the maximum, right? It's actually not a big deal where the EP is maximum or not. What we have to calculate, we have to calculate at a point what will be the velocity. So at a point, the velocity will be v square, as the initial velocity for this travel from B to E is v naught. So this will be v naught square plus 2g and height. So how much height? It will be this much height, right? So v naught is 0 and 2g, and g means 0.1 meter. So v square, what we have, v square, pardon, let's write down v. So square root 2.98.01. So we can write down the velocity is equals to 1.4 meter per second. So the kinetic energy will be at the lowest point, means at a point. So the kinetic energy at a point will be half mv square. So it will be half m is the mass of the bulb is 2.5 and the velocity is 1.4 whole square. So the final result for the kinetic energy at the lowest point, means the at a point, it will be 2.45 joule. So this is our answer, and this is the answer as well.